Let's move now to our front end. Here we have components, we have the pages. Let's add inside our pages folder a new folder. Let's call it auth. And inside let's add the register.jsx component or page, and here we will have the registration form. So let's copy and paste. So let's move to the top. We have already displayed the validation errors. So I said that I will show you how to display the form validation errors. So we have already done this step. So I forgot that I have displayed form validation errors. So what we need here, we need to use navigate, and we need also, let's add the nav link. And what else? The categories here, we don't need categories. We need those to display that the registration has been done successfully. We need Axios to send the request. We need to use validation to display the validation. And we need spinner to display spinner. Next, what we need a variable here. Let's call it user. Set user. And inside we have name, email, and password. Next, what we need to do, we need here to remove categories. We don't need them. We used form validation errors to display the form validation errors. We used loading to display the spinner, and we used navigate to navigate the user. Next, let's change this function to register new user, and this is in a sync. First we prevent the default, we set loading to true, and we send the user to we send the request to the route that we have defined, which is user/register. And we send also not the task, but we send the user here in our case. Next, we have the response. So we display the response. The response is the message that we have sent from here, this one. So we display it here. We navigate the user. Let's navigate him to the login. If we have the validation errors, so we display the validation errors. If we have anything else wrong, we tell the user that something went wrong while creating your account. Let's remove this. Let's add your account. Try again later. Finally, we set loading to false. And I think that's all. So next, what we need to add our form. So here we have form. Let's change it to register. And what else? So here register. Here we have register new user, which is the function that we have added. The first field is name. So let's change it here to name. And we need where is it? So here we need the user. Here. So not here. So this is the body. So here we need the user. And here let's make it uppercase. And here we set the user. So we change the username, and here we keep it as it is. Let's remove this text area, select, and we keep the spinner. Let's copy this input field and change it to, so the type will be email, and here we need email, and here email uppercase. Let's check. So we have email. What else we need? We need the password. So the type here is password, and we change from name to password, and also here uppercase. So I think that's all. That's all. We have our button, and we can let's do something. Let's add also, before we add the routes, let's add also here login.jsx components, and we add structure of our component, and we need now to add the routes inside our app.jsx. Let's copy this route and use, so here we need user, register, and use the register. So we need the register components. We can import it from register, which is inside the pages, and pages has auth, and we have the register, and we need also the login, and also we need the route to our, or let's do something. Let's make it only register and login, and here we need login. Let's change it to login. Now we have our routes. Let's move to our navbar. Here we don't have the registration and login links. So first we need the register link. It will take us to /register, and I think they have an icon which is bi person add, and we need another link, so this one for login, and later we will add logout link. So here login, and here I think they have also fill, I think fill up. So we will check. If it doesn't work, we will find the right icon. For now, save. Let's take a look and see. We have to create a register login. So here the register, and here the login. So we don't have here our components. Why we don't have the components? And we are already added, or we have already added. So here we have failed to reload app.jsx. We have something wrong. So what is wrong here? Let's go to our register. So I think we have the, so here the name is, let's change it to register. And I think that's all. We have the registered user, and we have our page. Let's go back to our, so here register, import register, and here it takes us to register and register. So what is wrong here? Let's refresh the page. So we can't, so the problem is here we can't import Okay, let's do something. Let's move down and move down and move down. Okay, let's add it. So from here we have components, custom, and use validation. Let's do the same for our spinner. We need to move down and components and layouts and spinner. Save, so now it will work. So as you can see, we have the register form. If we submit an empty form, we have the name field is required, email and password. So let's fill our form, submit. So account created successfully, and we are redirected to the login. If we try to register the same user with same email, the email has already been taken. So what is next? Now we need to move to login.